Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. And I'm your host P5, aka Pick Up a Penguin, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, it's been a while. Finally, we got some sort of decent weather, so I'm back outside, and yeah, let's not waste no time. You already know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go around the camera, come back, and we're gonna get into it like we're doing it for TV. It's good to be back, gang. Let's get it. Oh, look at the hammer. Alright people, you see what's going on. They call it mellow yellow. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up. Obviously give you the little twirl to the RJ. Twirl RJ 12, so you see what we're doing. So my beautiful people, you can already see what's going on. Today we have a beep 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 Stone Island. Let me give you the thing right there. We have a Stone Island David TC down. Can we see that? We can see that. All right guys, let's get into it. As you can see, today we have this yellow, call it mellow yellow, yellow submarine, and it was all yellow, and all of those. We have this David TC, as you can see, starting from where we like to start with. The waist, there's my waist, and if I step back you can see it comes down just up to the knees, almost on the knee but not quite on the knee. Again, there's the waist and there's where it comes down to. Let's zip up so we can see the old zippage in and the old coffages. Let's do this like we're doing it for TV, guys. So there we can see the zip up. As you can see, you've got this sort of spacious bit right there. The zip doesn't start right from the bottom, it starts kind of a third way or maybe a quarter of the way up, and it goes right there, and as you can see, that's on that sort of orangey kind of zip strip, as you can see there. Reminds me of a Lamy Flock. Is it a Lamy Flock? One of those that I've got jacket, and it's of that color. Of course you have your usual zip pull in that lovely canvas, and that yellow sort of matches the jacket but not quite. It's a bit of a variation between that and in between. And of course you have your YKK zipper as per usual. Of course this zips all the way up, goes all the way up to the roof of the neck. I can't zip it all the way up right now because I'm in it, but as you can see the zip goes all the way up to the roof of the neck, not the base of the neck. Super nice. Now guys, this is in a David TC material, which is fastly becoming my new favorite material after the Masola Gamata. It feels soft, it's durable, you know, it's tappity tap proof, you know, so if it does get wet it won't sort of go straight through. However, it's not waterproof, a little bit of the water resistance, so again, if it's piercing down on you, it's not going to be the best, but if it's tapping on you, you're on to a good winner. You know what I'm saying? Let me give you a little twirl to the RJ once again. Of course, let's look at the coffages, left turn to the right, equilibrium certain beautiful thing. You have these coffages there which have a sort of inner jumper bit right there, as you can see, giving you that cushion of the old wristage. Super nice. Of course, like I said, equilibrium's a beautiful thing, and you've got that resplendent orangey yellow color on the other side as well. Super nice. Okay, let's go into our one of our favorite things, left hand side, right hand side, pockets. And you know what we need, you know how we do with a little bit of pocket love, a bit of skyrocket love, walking down the street with my hands in my skyrocket, pop, 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 pop. So that's what I was doing, and it's a perfect sort of place to put your hands in the pocket. Again, I feel that I need something. So it has these pockets which I'll go into, but I feel I need something a little bit lower, so about there. These are a bit deep, so when you put your hand, you kind of have to put your hand in, but they kind of work. And now in each pocket here, you can put a small apartment in this one, and you can put your holiday home in this one. So for example, if you want to go home, you go to this. If you want to go on holiday, you go to this pocket. Left hand side, right hand side. Equilibrium's a beautiful thing, but they hold different things. So yeah, if you want to keep a little apartment there, go for it. You want to keep a little Spanish resort in there, go for it. Super nice, super tidy, and these are fastened by these big black buttons. You know what I'm saying? Big black and buttony, super lovely, embellished and burnished in steel Stone Island on the old grill. Anyway guys, you can tell I'm excited to be back because I've started waffling en masse. Okay, left hand side, right hand side, equilibrium certain beautiful thing. As you can see, you have these sort of thinner pockets, shall we call them little mobile phone pockets? Let's do that. And of course, once again, burnished in steel, big black buttons, but these ones are pressed down envelope pockets. Now if you put your hand in here, you can put your dog and bone, put a few coins of silver. Same goes for this, dog and bone, few coins of gold, but nothing much. You don't want to put anything too weighty in there because you'll start to disfigure the old pocketage. Of course, you know what we're waiting for, guys, and I know you've already spotted it, the old hood. You see the hood right there, super nice. As you can see, really perfect for the old tappity tap tap. If it comes down, you're good. You've got this fold away bit, which of course says Stone Island, as you can see, and you can fold it down for extra coverage from the rain. Give you the up Stone Island there, spell out, as you can see, and that's in that sort of I don't know, let's call it cotton felt, whatever it is, but you can see, look, I'm so warm and tidy. And of course you've got these buttons which allow you to fasten. Once again, super nice. Let me just give you the back view of the hood, and of course you've got a little pull drawstring there to give you a little tightener. Super nice, guys. This is one of my favorite jackets. I've had it for a few years now. You might have spotted it in the you might have spotted it in one of the special videos. This was the jacket that I was wearing that they was mugging me off because I was at Adidas dropping night. But yeah, as is always the case, I don't necessarily do everything that I have, but here and now and then, depending on the weather and how I feel, that's when I pull out certain things. Sometimes it's new, sometimes it's old, sometimes it's, you know, in between. But yeah, really nice. Of course, the special badge in all its non-specialness, regular as regular is, really dope. Now if I give you the look inside, you've got a nice little pocket in there, and that's kind of like a kind of a differential material. Of course, you've got your Stone Island compass right there. In there you can put maybe you might put one of the kids in there, maybe a couple, one of the kids and a playmate, but nothing too much. Of course, you've got your spare badge holder right there. Now let me take this off so you can see the down, of course, because this is one of the reasons I copped this. You know, I don't tend to buy down, you know, like I said, but this is one of the pieces I bought a few years ago before I, you know, had my new sort of awakening. But yeah, really nice, sort of fluffy down, super good to go. Of course, once again, you have your literature right there telling you what it is and what it does. Super nice. What have I missed, guys? Let me put this back on just so we can see. Now, super dope jacket, guys, one of my favorites. The only problem I have with this jacket is it picks up a lot of staining. So if you're wearing denim or, you know, anything like that, it just picks it up. Obviously I'm going to be wearing this jacket and not selling it, so it's not a problem per se, but I do hate when, you know, a jacket or a jumper or anything, crepes, do have a stain that you didn't want to be there, and now you've got to live with it and pretend that you're okay with it. I'm not really, but this jacket does pick up a hell of a lot of staining. I've put it away and I've only recently brought it back out again just because the weather, so I thought I need something a bit more meaty, and yeah, so I brought it out again, but I will be putting it away again because, like I said, it attracts the dirt like, you know, a stripper attracts dollars. Anywho's, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this jacket. It's super nice, one of my favorite, super dope lamp, super great for walking down the street with your hands in your skyrocket. Great hood for the tappity tap tap. Nice for keeping you warm. It's not gonna keep you warm in Arctic, but it will keep you warm in a normal setting, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, this is a David TC down, and I've been your host, P5, aka P is for Primer Loft, which this doesn't have, this has down. And this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and of course let me know all your thoughts, you know, hit me up, share with your gang, do the usual, check me out on Instagram, you know how it goes. Guys, it's been a pleasure as always. Welcome me back and welcome back to you guys, and yeah, let's get it, guys. This has been Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. You guys have been dope, you've been fly, and as always, guys, look after yourself, be well and stay fly. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Alright gang, much love, peace.